Hello, here's another video of my Ford Ranger that I'm about to put front shocks on. It's a Monroe Matic Plus gas charged shock absorbers. This gas-charged shock absorber provides more control response and smoother ride. It says special seals, nitrogen gas charged. There's the 1 3/4 inch or 1 7/8 inch reserve tube, 10-stage valving, 1 3/16 inch bore, all-weather fluid. As you can see, all the numbers correspond with that. Yeah, as I said, these are Monroe. We'll get them out here and take a look. Whoops. Okay, this is what they look like. They're a dark blue. It says made in the USA. There's the numbers. These are Monroe shocks. And it comes with these rubbers and the nut and the washer type things in between. My cost was $53.68 with sales tax of $4.95, with a total of $58.63. And the other shock looks just like that one. And here is the numbers. So I'm not going to take the other shock out. I'm about ready to install these on my Ranger. We're probably going to try to do this today. It's a 2-wheel drive, coil spring front, and we're going to attempt to put them on. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Well, give me a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Okay, this is shocks on. Don't know if you can see very well. New shocks there. One back here. Show you the back ones. Here's the back ones. They are rough country. There you go. Thanks for watching.